Zhuhai, conduit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around, gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why, it's just Zhuhai.
For this particular video, we're going to be starting in this charming mural village, but it's not going to be our focus because we did this on another video, but it is a cool starting spot. And we're in Zhuhai, not too far from the border. We're going to be walking down this street right here with all these apartments and kind of give you an idea of what a slice of Zhuhai looks like. So stay tuned. Zhuhai. So we're gonna do a few videos in a row where we're all kind of near the border a little bit. So this one is Weiji Road, and you're gonna see it near the charming mural village, which we filmed last time. So you'll see that in the thumbnail at the end. But that one is all kind of painted with some nice art, murals. And that one's gonna lead into another street. So we're gonna follow it down and check out this like really cool Las Vegas one. You probably already saw it in the previews. Anyways, it's up on the map. Let's get right into it. A slice of Zhuhai next to the Macau border. Yeah, really cool murals in here. So it's not our, yeah, even got like murals on the steps, stairway as well. And all the buildings too. So they'll have it up there, you can see different stuff. But that was the focus of another video. So we're gonna leave this one. On the other side, this is kind of cool. This is like a parking garage, but it's like cars pull in here. Those are parking lot attendants down there. Okay, so ours is gonna be this one behind this building with all the fish on the walls. Let's just walk into here. Then I can see there's like fresh. Let me walk over here. You catch this one. How fresh the food looks. It's all next to the border too, so you can get some really nice fruit. Bring it across over to the Macau side. Okay, so our focus is this street up here. Another little place you can eat outside. This one. I think it's this. It's either that one. You could also do that one over there with a, let's just walk over that way too. So this is this little charming mural village. And then right over there is the Zhuhai train station. And that also connects to the border through Qingmao border point. So it's kind of cool that they got a few things like that. Really cool. I just want to see what's over here as well. There's a Reed Castle. It looks like this kind of goes into a private residential spot. Okay, so that's just that particular direction, bake shop. So let's go back to our target street. Gonna capture some of this stuff. Yeah, so Macau has all of it too, but each one has something that's a little bit different. We can't really recognize that gold one, even though that might be the same as the one in front of it. There's a jade dragon as well. Okay, so let's continue on into our target street. And just kind of see what's down here. There's those apartments. So some of these apartments have murals. So these all down that way have murals on them. Charming Mural Village. So they redesigned it right next to the border. Really cool. In the name of this street, hopefully we see street signs. I'm usually in Macau, so usually if I do street signs, they're easy to identify in Macau. Zhuhai, they can be, but not always. Another little thing in here. So you need a gate. You need a, I guess there's like a little thing there. QR codes. This is his shop here. Convenience store. Check out this hotel. There's a hotel right here. We're gonna get a little bit closer. It has a nice sign to it. This is the Oriental Impression Hotel. Like you can go through these little gates here into the interior part. Okay, so this particular one says the Oriental Impression Hotel. And then look at that sign. That sign is really cool. Let's get a little bit closer to that sign. There it is right there. It's like a Las Vegas sign. Okay, so we are going to keep on walking down. Try to get out of the water here and out of the road. It looks like we got a whole other little thing going on in here. Also, I can see this building up here from the Macau side. It's like a little spiral up the top. Does that make sense? So a convenience store right there. We're gonna keep on going down our street. There's the Oriental Impression Hotel. Let's go down this way. Let's see if we see a street name down here somewhere. Some beautiful trees though. That's one thing I like about being in South China. Trees are beautiful. Oh, right here too, you can get some beer. I like all these little Qingtao. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down our street. And I don't know if we're gonna see a street name or not. We'll just keep on walking down. Let's just keep on walking down. Let's see. Some kind of mural, some kind of recognition for something. So the end of the street will come down here. Later I'll try to look it up. I guess that hotel will be a reference point for me anyways. It's a parking lot. And you got some giant residential apartment right there, and there's a massage place, a spa straight ahead. There's our street sign right over there, so we're gonna walk over there. Weiji Road is the name of it. Just kind of show what's around here real quick. So that's gonna be, let's see where we just came from. Gee, famous garden. Okay, so we're going to capture that sign right there. So it's Weiji Road. Weiji Road. So that was a little slice of Zhuhai for you.